And the Supreme Court has dismissed two consolidated applications filed by Rigathi Gachagua and the National Assembly in a long-running legal dispute arising from the impeachment proceedings against the former deputy president over the empanelment of a high court bench to hear related petitions. Now, the highest court ruled that it lacks jurisdiction to interfere with matters before a lower court in a decision reaffirming constitutional hierarchy of the judicial system. Now, in a unanimous decision delivered on Friday, a five-judge bench comprising of Chief Justice Martha Koome, Deputy Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu, and Justices Smokin Wanjala, Njoki Ndongo, and Isaac Lenaola held at the Apex Court can only issue stay orders in respect of proceedings before the Court of Appeal, not the High Court. Now, what this decision means is that Gachagua's impeachment dispute now returns to the three-judge High Court bench led by Justice Eric Ogola, the same panel that Rigathi Gachagua has repeatedly and unsuccessfully sought to block.